So what is up guys, Bbek here, and in this video I have awesome black and white themed Nova launcher setup for you guys. So without any delay, let's jump right into the video. So first of all, you need to install three applications. Those are of course Nova Launcher, Jupyter Widget Pro and Lightweight Icon Pack, and the other download links are also in the description below, so go ahead and download them first, as you will need these apps and files before creating the home screen setup. So with that being done, let's get this started. So first, open your file explorer and extract the zip file you downloaded named blackpanther.zip. So now open the folder and go to the Nova backup folder, then move this backup file in the internal storage, then in Android, data, and in .com.tesla sw.launcher folder. So after that, let's set up our wallpaper. So for that, go to the Black Panther folder again and go to the wallpaper and set the wallpaper as your home screen wallpaper. So after doing that, open the JW templates, then copy or move all these three templates to the internal storage, to the Jupyter widget, and to the templates folder. So with that being done, now let's set up our home screen. So open the Nova settings and set it as your default launcher first. Then go back to the Nova setting and then click on backup and import settings, then click on browse and select the Black Panther backup file. After doing that, your home screen gonna look like this. Now it's time to add some widgets. So for that, tap on the middle and select this folder like icon, then click on the SD card and select this Google icon. Again, go back to the home screen and again tap on the upper widget, then SD card, and then select this black widget. So there is the file missing, so what you have to do is click on the layout, then tap on bitmap, then scroll down and again tap on the bitmap and select this black color bitmap. So then again go back and do the same thing to the lower widget as well, but this time select this white one. Now the setup is complete, so you can also create a folder like this and put the apps according to your preference in the left and right corner of your home screen. So talking about the feature of this setup is that when you swipe up from the folders, then the first app in the folder list will open, as you can see here. You can get access to the Google on tapping the Google icon, and when you swipe up from the bottom, then you will get access to all your apps from the app drawer. So that is pretty much it guys. So this is a cool and minimalistic black and white setup for your Android device. So that was it for this video guys. If you guys love this video, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you are having any kind of problem setting off your setup, then do let me know in the comment section below. So with that being said, it's me Bbek and I'm signing out. You guys have a great day.